Welcome to this video on our 2016 Range Rover Autobiography. This is the diesel hybrid variant. So it is finished in the Carpathian Grey premium metallic. It does come with all the Autobiography specification. Additionally, you do get the 22-inch turbine alloy wheels, which are probably the best looking wheels for this era of Range Rover. Do get the electrically deployable side steps as well. Privacy glass to the rear and the sliding pan roof. So if we take a look inside the rear, obviously as this is the Range Rover, you do have plenty of boot space and you do get the all-weather rubber mat. If we move into the rear of the car, you do get the grand black lacquer veneer throughout, and the Meridian 825 watt surround sound system does come as standard. So you do have the ebony semi-aniline leather. And as this is the Autobiography, you do get heated and ventilated rear seats with the climate control as well, along with your winged headrests to the front and the rear. You do have the nice suede headlining as well. If we take a look inside the front, you do of course get the memory functions to both the driver and the passenger, along with your massage functions, and they're of course heated and ventilated. You have the heated leather and wood steering wheel with your adaptive cruise control functions on there. This car has done just over 47,000 miles from new. You do have your drinks cooler in there, and your sat nav, your surround cameras, dual view, etc. through the infotainment. So there it is, our 2016 Range Rover Autobiography Hybrid. Is one former keeper. So if you've got any further questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.